Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can upload an intent to your account on Dialogflow to use it, for example, for your agent project. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do is navigate to Dialogflow, navigate to the Intents tab here on the left hand side, and here in the top right next to the Create Intent button, click into these three dots, select Upload Intent. And here guys, what you need to do is make sure that your intent has been saved on your device in JSON file format, because that's the only format that is accepted here. If that's the case guys, click into the Choose File button, locate the file on your device, and after that upload it so that it may be available here from that list. As you can see, these intents are or can be saved in JSON file format as well as uploaded in that file format from your device. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.